What is WIX Editor X? WIX Editor X is an advanced website building tool designed for professional designers, developers, and agencies. It's part of the Wix ecosystem, but offers more flexibility and creative control compared to the classic Wix editor. Editor X is ideal for users who want to create highly customized, responsive websites with precision design capabilities. Editor X introduces features like flexible grids, custom CSS, and advanced design tools that allow you to build dynamic layouts and achieve pixel-perfect designs. It also supports breakpoints, enabling you to optimize your site for different screen sizes: desktop, tablet, mobile. Additionally, it integrates with third-party APIs and allows for more complex functionality using JavaScript and Velo, Wix's coding environment. While the classic Wix editor is beginner-friendly, Editor X caters to users with some technical knowledge or those looking to push creative boundaries. It's particularly popular among professionals building client websites or portfolios. If this video helped explain Wix Editor X, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching.